Are you wondering how Motic products work? Here at Motic, we're always by your side, from the very first step to long after the sale. Welcome to the Motic Europe Solution Center, where our experts connect with you to deliver real, interactive support. With the expertise of our specialists, we guide you in finding the right microscope, digital product, or software solution that fits your needs. Because every customer is unique, our team is always ready to assist you. See Motic products in action with our complete demo setup, live and interactive. Join our online demonstrations and training sessions at the Solution Center and get all your questions answered in real time. One of our greatest values is the after-sales support we offer. We're here to guide you every step of the way, from the beginning to the very end. Don't miss your chance. Contact us and book a live session with one of our product specialists today. What are you waiting for?